Hey guys, today we're working on a 2015 Toyota Venza, and we're hooking up an amplifier. Customer brought an amplifier over. They just bought the harness and high-low converter for it. And on the Venza, it's a little bit different. We don't want to. I'll show you. We cannot run it right here because there's no room for that. You can see right here, I'm gonna put the light. It's kind of hard to get through that right there. So what we did, we ran it here, the right front. See right there, there's a rubber boot right there. You can see, I'm not sure how good you can see right there. It's kind of hard to see. Yep, right there, there's a rubber boot right there. We just poke a hole and push the power wire and a remote wire back here. And then we're gonna later hooking up the remote wire. We might not need it, but we already ran a remote wire over here just in case the high-low Now, in order to hook up a high-low converter, you want to hook up the red wire. This is a speaker wire. You can use the 16 gauge. I recommend 16 gauge. You're gonna have to hook up the red wire, which is positive. You're gonna hook it up to the pink wire, and then the black wire to the it's the negative. Gonna go to the black wire. I mean the purple wire right here, but there's a black wire from the speaker wire. Now, in order to take these out, you're gonna have to take a flat hat. Let me see, where's my finger at. Push that. Push it right there and pull it straight down. Once you got it out, you can run your power and your remote wire through that rubber boot right there. Now, I didn't explain how to take this off. You just take a flat hat and push that out and pull this forward or backward this way, and it should come out. And to put it back in, it's reverse that. So put it like that and make sure it's in the right hole. There's 3 holes right there. And hit it in, but make sure it's in line with the hole. So now running back over here, we got the power ran back to the back seats. We hooking the power, the ground. We got the blue as power and this orange wire. See, you see the ground right there. We'll sand it down really good and then screw. And then the remote wire, that the speaker wire that we ran, we're gonna hook it up to the red wire. We're gonna hook it up to the white and gray, and then the black wire we're gonna hit it up to the one with the black stripe, which is white, black, gray, black. That's the ground. And then we ran the blue wire, which is remote wire from the kiss lock to the kickers to the remote, and then the little black one go to the ground with this orange wire. And then we got power from the front. We'll fuse it and we'll run the speaker wire to the speaker. And then we ran the RCA jack, which is a 1.5 feet 18-inch to the amp right there, to the input of the amp. And this is a power acoustic RZ R1-2500D. Okay, now we are taking a 1/2 inch. You can use it. That's not 1/2 inch. Sorry about that earlier. It's a 12 inch. It's I forgot it's a Toyota. It's a 12 inch.
12 millimeter.
12. Yeah, 12 millimeter, not 12 inch. So take a 12 millimeter. Pull it towards you to lose it. And you don't have to to take the battery completely out. You just do what he just done right there, and then it's gonna arc a little bit, but you're fine. And then just tighten it. And we ran a 60 amp fuse because the amp is not that big. So it's his speaker, the power acoustic Gothic. Now this, when you're done with everything, done installing, hooking up everything is hooking up right, wired right. You're gonna have to hook press this button right here, audio. Once you hit the audio right there, you're gonna see this speaker right there. Click on that one, and then you want to click on DSP, and then turn this piece to off. Automatic sound levelizer. Wow. Okay, that's it.